Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Syringeona from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside each one, let's add another circle. And let's color each of these in black. Next, let's add some eyelashes on top of each eye. And that's it for the eye. Next, let's move on top and let's draw the bow. Above the right eye, let's start with a rectangle shape. Then from the top, let's angle it out, down, and back around on both sides. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the bottom left of the bow and let's draw a curve over and bring it down. Then let's hop back over to the right side and let's draw another curve down. Now from both sides, let's curve it in and down. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's draw a large oval shape. And color it in black. Now from the bottom of each line, let's curve it around the mouth and down for the neck. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the arms. For the first arm on the right, let's curve it up and form a small bump. And the same thing on the other side and bring it down. Then for the end, let's curve it up from both sides, and then add a straight line across. Now let's do the same thing on the left side, but let's make this one a little bit longer. Now let's add the tools at the ends. From the top of the right hand, let's draw 2 lines up. Then a wavy line up and over on the left. And then curve it back down. Now on top, let's start halfway and let's draw another curve up. And another wavy line down. And lastly, inside, let's add a circle. Now let's hop over and draw the left hand. Let's start with, again, 2 lines up. And then this time, let's draw a curve in and up from both sides. And then a line across the top. Now inside along the left edge, let's draw 3 lines. And then 1 line coming out from the top. And that's it for the first set of arms. Next, let's move down and draw another set. From the bottom, let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then another curve underneath. Now for the ends, let's draw 2 bumps up and then another 2 bumps underneath on both sides. And now let's close off the ends with a line across. Now let's add the hands. On the right side, let's start with 2 angles up. Then let's angle it back out. Then let's bring it up. Then come in, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's bring it down and out at the top, and then a rectangle shape underneath to close it off. Now let's hop over on the left side. We'll start with a rectangle at the end. Then let's curve it up and in, and a line across. And lastly, at the end, let's draw a zigzag line up from the top. And that's it for the second set of arms. Now let's move back down and draw the body and legs. Let's start underneath the arms and let's draw a curve down and in from both sides. Now for the ends, let's curve it out and curve it back in at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw an upside down U-shaped curve. And then another curve underneath on both sides to finish off the legs. Lastly, let's add the feet. Underneath each leg, let's draw 2 bumps going outwards. And that's it for Syringeona. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!